She wants you to push her button.
Delete it.
I'm recording now. Do it.
Delete it.
Do it.
Okay.
Push.
Push.
Push. You can see my feet. Oh my
Get
god.
over it.
Okay, say it.
If you are a girl, you better like this video. If you're a boy, you better comment.
So what he's going through. Oh, I'm gonna die.
Here are some actions.
Sing it.
You better pick one and comment about it. First one, love. Second one, tip. Third one, hug. Fourth one, like.
Does this have an ending?
Fourth one, fifth one, kill. Sixth one, punch. Seventh one, huge.
I'm the blonde, obviously.
Yeah.
Like, this is my channel.
One.
Because the brown-haired one is just cray-cray.
Okay, these are going to be listed below so y'all can, like, redo them. Because I know y'all didn't understand me that well. And after you pick one of these thingamabobs, you have to pick a number 1 or 6. Wait. 1 to
Yeah, I'll post it below, okay?
Bye. Thank you for watching. Be great.
Bye.